Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Watch 4 and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps on this watch. First, let's turn off our watch. It's gonna make basically this process easier because you're not gonna be touching randomly the screen while changing the straps, so you're not gonna be making any mistouches and turning on some stuff and stuff like that. So I'm gonna turn off the watch for now. Come on. Okay, the watch is turned off now. And now let's remove the old straps, because if you want to change the straps, you need to remove the old ones first. So grab your watch, flip it around, and on the back of the watch you will see that on each strap you have this basically lever we can pull on. And how this mechanism works is when you pull on the lever, it retracts the pin from one of the sides, and once you retract the pin, you will be able to release the strap from the watch. So I'm gonna pull on this lever like this, and as you can see, the watch popped off, or rather the strap popped out, but it's still holding on this side. And what we need to do is to pull it to the other side to release the other pin, and it's gonna pop off also. And how it works, this mechanism is quite simple. As you can see, we have this lever, and when you pull or push it, it moves the pin. And this pin normally is like this, and it's locked into a watch. And if you want to release the one side, you pull it to one side, then pin retracts, and you can remove the one side of the strap, and then you pull it to the other side to remove the other side of the strap, and then you can basically release the strap completely. Okay, let's do that for the other side. So pull on the lever, release one of the sides, then push on it to release the other side, like this. And here we have our watch and our straps. And once you have new straps to put on, grab your watch, and to put the new straps on, it's quite simple. You simply take this side, the opposite side of the lever. You push the pin all the way to the other side, so the pin on this side is completely retracted, like this. You put the side without the pin right here, basically. Then you push the pin back so it latches on this side. So you basically insert the pin into a hole on the watch. And once it latches, it's a bit tricky sometimes, but once it latches, it will be holding. So you can completely pull it off. Then align it with the other side, pull on the pin, or rather on the lever, to retract this pin from this side, so you can insert it into a hole like this, and it will click in. It's quite tricky at the beginning, but you can get it done, and once you get used to it, it's quite simple. So again, pull the lever to the other side to retract the pin, put this side on the watch, then once you put it on the watch, push the lever to insert the pin on this side, like this. Once it's holding, align it with the other side, and pull on the... Oh, it popped off. Like I said, it's a bit tricky sometimes. Insert the pin, pull it, align it, and it's gonna click in. And that's how it works, basically. Like I said, at the beginning it's a bit tricky, but with time it gets more easy, and you just get used to it. And once you put them on, they will hold, and that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.